Okay, so let's check out some more of the advanced features of your profile. If you go up to, let's see, are we logged in? Okay, we're logged in. If you go to Community and My Profile, you can also go to the Settings tab and My Account, or any of these will kind of bring you here too, but the Community My Profile is kind of the easiest way. And now we're here. We've seen this before. We just created all of this. First off, let's talk about followers and following. You can follow other members, and other people can follow you if you've set that in your settings. So we currently have 2 followers because I just logged out and logged in with my other accounts to follow this Egan Lohman account. And we see here, okay, Billy Baru follows me, and my other Egan Lohman account follows me. So that's cool. I can follow them back right here. So I'll follow Billy. And what does that do? That just kind of helps you keep track of the people, other members that you're interested in their projects, or maybe you're collaborating, or maybe you're sharing ideas. It's just an easier way to find and stay connected with other members of the DIY home builder community. Okay, so now if you refresh the page, because we're following Billy, that will show up here. Let's go over to Activity. On the Activity tab, here you can post directly to your wall. This is different than posting to the community post, the blog, which I cover in another video. This is more just giving quick little updates on your progress. So for example, I already posted, got our building permit approved today. Got 1 like on that, very cool. So how about laying the garage slab, and then grab a pic of doing that. We'll upload that. So this wall, if you've made it public, which is the default setting, just lets other members, and the public for that matter, kind of keep tabs on the progress of your build. The community post page is really more for you to, go into detail and write up a fairly lengthy article on your project. But here, if you just want to let people know what's going on more of a day-to-day type basis, that's kind of what this is for. So click post, and there it shows up, laying the garage slab. And then you can go over to, if you go up to community and go up to members, you could check out other people's wall by going to their profile. This, we haven't launched DIY Home Builder yet while I'm making these videos, so most of this stuff is pretty blank, but we hope to change that with you guys. So, if Twill Cohan here had written on his wall, that would show up here and you could see it if he'd made it public. Anyway, back to our page. What else do we have? Right, posts. So in the post section, this is where you have written more of your lengthy community posts, which show up in the community post section. So, for example, Greta wrote up a Hello DIY Home Builder community, which shows up here, and everybody's stuff will show up in this community post. But then you can click on the author name to get back to their profile, and under their post section, you can just see only their posts, their longer, blog style articles on their build, or anything really that you want to share with the community will show up here, and they'll show up in chronological order. So sorted by date, latest to oldest. So this is a great place to, just share the progression of your project from start to finish, and it'll be held here in perpetuity. You can delete it if you want, but yeah, that was one thing we found that was lacking with other, owner builder websites, is no way to kind of showcase our own project. And that's what we really wanted to build for you guys. So I've got a whole I've got a whole video on creating community posts, but I just wanted to cover that here in the profile. And then as far as comments, this is where if anyone commented on any of your posts, those will show up here. And messages, Looks like I have a couple messages from Billy and from, okay, so this is Billy's profile, but I'm not sure why. Oh, yeah, I guess Billy sent me a message, but it didn't actually show up. So, my other Egan Lohman sent me a message. Hey Egan, welcome to DIY Home Builder. Great. I can reply to that. Thanks, Egan. You dork. And there it goes. It kind of shows up like your iPhone, where your replies are on this side and their replies are on this side. Cool. And then we jump over to the forum section, and here, well, you will see any topics that you've started, any replies to any of your topics, any of your favorite topics that you've flagged, and any of the subscriptions to any of our forums. Right now we just have the one community forum, but as the need grows, we can create more forums that are more specific to certain topics or genres or just ideas. And of course, a topic, I'm going to go into this in a complete forum video, but a topic is really just like a conversation. You start a topic, maybe it's on construction loans, and other people can share their insights, ask their own questions within that thread. And it's very, the forum plugin that we're using on this site is very powerful, has a great search algorithm. So you should be able to find anything that you're looking for if it's been posted. Okay, it's a long video, but hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight into how you can use our social network on DIY Home Builder. Thanks for watching.